Welcome to Asian International University, a place where excellence in medical education meets innovation, practical learning, and global opportunities. As you step onto our campus, you become part of a diverse international community committed to shaping the next generation of healthcare professionals. Our welcoming environment and dedicated faculty ensure that every student feels supported from the very first day. Your journey begins in our practice classrooms and lecture halls, where experienced professors deliver high-quality medical education through interactive teaching methods. Here, students build a strong foundation in medical sciences while developing critical thinking, clinical reasoning, and professional ethics. Beyond the classroom, learning comes to life in our fully equipped simulation center. Students gain hands-on experience in anatomy, histology, physiology. At Asian International University, pursue MBBS and BDS now. Admissions are open in September intake.